beef.
Perfumes, can I try?
Yeah.
Shukran.
Douglas.
Yes, sir. Yalla, yalla. Should we turn around and give the big reveal?
Yes, now.
Here we go. Edge of the world. Okay, good morning. In the very nice hotel here. Just woke up, slept a little bit too late by accident because I can't handle this nocturnal culture with the coffee and staying up really late, and also reading messages from Saudis, which is very, very nice. So I stayed up late, slept a little late. So now I'm gonna go try to find a little bit of food real quick, and then I think we're going to Saudi National Museum. So learn a little something, and then hopefully do some other cool things. So I'm meeting up with Bandar, who's a friend of Sultan. You saw him before, so let's see. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, I'm gonna try to go to a restaurant that was recommended to me on Snapchat, but again, cannot cross. There's a lot of construction going on, I think, because of the metro here. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. Okay, these guys look like they might be crossing, so I'm gonna run along with them. Made it. My life flashed before my eyes, but I made it to the other side. There's the hotel. Crazy. Let's see if we can find our way. Okay, and I'm out here on Tahliya Street. Interesting thing about Saudi, like, it's a driving culture. Like, at least in Riyadh, there's not like public transport really, and they drive everywhere. A lot of the storefronts have these big glass front walls. I don't know. I'm not sure of the reason, but it's something unique that I've noticed here. Anyway, I'm going to Al Balad Lebanese restaurant. Get some Lebanese food. I heard it's great, and this is a recommendation from Snapchat, so thank you. So everyone in this restaurant pretty much is doing shisha. These guys here, and me. I'm gonna order food too, but my friend Bandar is meeting me, so we have two. That's good. Bandar, good morning.
Good morning.
My friend made it. Okay, I ordered, this is Turkish coffee?
Yes.
Okay, you're showing me how to do it.
Yes.
Wow, that looks so dark. Okay. Thank you, brother.
How's your night?
Oh, very good. We had fun, yeah. We're
Yes.
gonna go see the museum or
Yes.
explore? Okay. Vander,
Hello.
he
Hi.
says we gotta move outside because it's
Yes.
such a nice day.
Yes, it's nice weather.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Hello.
Out here, it's like 65 degrees, I think, Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but
Almost 15.
15? Okay. But yeah, really good. I might even need to lose the sweatshirt.
Yes, no need.
It's really good. Same restaurant, but outside.
Mojito.
Mojito.
Yeah.
Okay, a little different mojito than what we know in the United States.
No alcohol.
No alcohol here. All right, thank you. We call it virgin mojito.
Yes, virgin mojito.
Yeah, there we go. Delicious. With strawberry.
Do you like it?
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you, brother. Shukran.
Welcome.
Wow. So what is all this?
This is mixed grilled.
Yeah?
Beef and chicken.
Beef and chicken? Oh
Yes,
my gosh.
This is chicken.
Yeah?
This is beef. Hello, Makin.
You take some bread,
Yes.
take some of this meat. I think this is chicken.
Yes.
This one's chicken.
Oh.
Just grab like that. I'm gonna take some hummus.
الحمد لله إن شاء الله زين.
Oof.
باقي لي ثمان.
Mm.
ان شاء الله خلص. ما على
So
يكلمون
good.
عدنا متى بيكلمون.
Manda, this time is I pay. Come on.
No, no.
No, come on.
You will not get it.
You're not gonna let me?
On me.
No?
This on me.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Welcome.
When you come to New York in April,
Yes.
then it's on me, okay?
Inshallah.
Yeah,
I will
inshallah.
do it.
Yeah, okay. We'll take you all around New York.
Thank you very much.
Give you the
I
best
appreciate it.
best
Thank you.
tour in America. Okay. Thank you, Bandar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So now we're going to National Museum.
National
huh?
Museum, yes.
All right, learn some Saudi history.
Yes.
So we just checked out the Saudi National Museum. You're getting a call? We just checked out Saudi National Museum.
Hello.
Very cool. Definitely check that out if you're here. Tons of history, like geology and Saudi history and all the ancient stuff. Very, very cool. And now we're gonna go to the edge of the world, which is This place in the desert, big cliff and amazing view. Hopefully we're gonna catch the sunset there. So stay tuned. We're off to the desert, huh?
Yes. Yes, I think hour.
Okay, 1 hour. We're leaving Riyadh right now and try to get some amazing photos and video of the desert and the cliffs and everything.
Yes.
So we'll see you there.
Medium, medium. Okay. Yes, with cream. Yes, both. Thank you. We appreciate. Thank you very much.
Coffee time.
Yes.
Coffee time all the time.
In Saudi Arabia, you have to drink 3-4 times.
3-4 times.
Yes.
Even at 11 o'clock at night.
Yes.
Probably why I can't fall asleep. Saudi traffic. Look at these houses above the highway like that. I don't know if I can see. There. Huge like cliff. And the houses are right there on the edge. It's crazy. Crazy. Look at that. This is just the highway. It looks like amazing scenery. This looks like the Grand Canyon or something. Absolutely nuts. Crazy. Like, this is scenic enough, honestly, and we're not even close to where we're going. Whew. Okay, should we turn around and give the big reveal?
Yes, now.
Here we go. Edge of the world. Whoa, oh my gosh. It's huge.
Be careful.
Look at that. I'm okay. I won't go. Thank you. Bandar's got my shirt here.
Yes. See.
Oh my goodness.
And see the sunset.
Yeah, you can see the highway. That's to Mecca, right?
Yes, to Mecca there.
Wow, brother. Oh my gosh. Amazing. I think we should throw the drone up there.
Yes, now.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear it on this video, but you can hear the call to prayer coming from that town down there. Pretty amazing moment. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay, now we're in the Oud convention, and Oud is like incense, right?
Yes.
So it smells very strong in here. So we're walking around and trying everything. Oh, thank you. Yeah?
Our perfumes.
Perfumes, can I try?
Yeah.
Shukran. Very nice. Thank you. So everyone's handing out these little sampler things, and the air is like thick with incense in here. You can see it in the air. We're looking for Meeri.
Yes.
We're gonna try to find him. Everyone looks nice. All traditional. Let's see if we can find him. And we found Meeri. Okay. Back there. Hello. Thank you. So he's doing his thing. Being famous. Hello. And everybody here.
It's good, brand.
Very good.
Saudi brand this one.
Music and perfume, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. That's great. Everybody's here. Sultan Meeri is meeting all his fans and doing business. Saud and Saeed, they think you're a little too famous.
Yeah.
You get too many fans.
You're famous.
No, not as much as you.
Yeah, welcome anytime.
Shukran. Thank you. So, the Saudi generosity continues.
Yes, definitely.
Because look what I have in my hand now.
Lots of bags.
4 bags with saffron and oud and perfume.
Yes.
And again, just like always, I say, no, it's okay.
You need more bags.
More bags.
Yes.
More bags for flying home. I need another suitcase.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'm saying, no, it's okay, please, no, too much, it's too much. They will not take no for an answer. It's amazing. Amazing hospitality.
You are this like this. You
Oh,
are good man.
my gosh. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
People are so nice here. So nice. Honestly, people have preconceptions about Saudi.
Yes.
They don't want to come here.
Yes.
Really, everyone here is incredibly, incredibly kind. Yeah,
You see that.
yeah. It's amazing.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we left the Oud convention. Took a long drive with Meeri and Saeed. They told me it's a surprise. I had no idea where we were going. And we showed up at this place. Kind of looks like the other one, the place they call the farm, but this one has the upgrade. Mohammed bin Salman, Crown Prince, and King Salman, his dad. And this is Sultan's place, Meeri. So I don't know what we're doing, but hanging out here. We'll see. Okay, we left the little secret surprise house. And yeah, and now that was a cool spot. And now I think I'm gonna go back to the hotel. Saeed is driving me. Good friend.
My friend.
My friend.
Douglas.
Yes, sir.
I love
Saeed.
you. I love you.
Oh, I love you too, brother. Thank you, man. Shukran.
Afwan.
Ah, there we go. He's my Arabic teacher too.
Speak Arabic. Good.
Speak Arabic. Oh, wow. Thank you. MashaAllah. Wa alaikum salam.
كيف حالك؟
Tamam. Shoot, I can't remember that one. By the end of the trip, I'll be perfect, I think.
Yes.
All right, man. Inshallah.
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 هنا اللي يبغى يفيد الغير مع انه جو الشاق لكنه يبغى الخير قول له مين هنا اللي طار زي الطير ما دور على الفلوس لكن قال لك سوي الشير قول له مين هنا اللي ماشي عكس السير يمكنه عنده سر او متهيئ انه عير قول له مين هنا اللي جو مره غير كانه حاطط جزمه ومخلي مخه سفير قول له مين هنا يقول له مجنون يقلد الغرب وجوه معدوم.
Just kidding about the hotel. No more hotel. We're going somewhere else. Not yalla. It's not bedtime yet because it's never bedtime in Saudi Arabia. No. All right, where are we going? I don't know. So good. Wow, there he is.
Good.
Very good.
Douglas.
Saudi Arabia. Saeed, where are we? What is this?
What is this?
Yeah, what is?
King Abdullah Abdulaziz.
King Abdulaziz Center? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like a new development? Is new? Yeah. Just like crazy, massive skyscrapers that all look really cool. This is mosque?
Mosque.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. That's such a cool building. New. Oh my gosh.
Douglas.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yes.
And believe it or not, out here in the desert, it actually gets pretty cold at night. And it is pretty cold right now. So I've got my hood weather. And just look at these buildings. I mean, maybe you can't tell in the video, but they're huge. So much is being built here in Riyadh. It's amazing. So much, yeah? It just seems like there's a lot of change happening here and just like a lot of progress. And check this out. What's this? I don't know. There's so many things being built. It's impossible to know. Everything just looks lavish, like I said before, like over the top, just indulgent, like yeah, and cinema.
Yes.
It's new.
The new cinema.
Closed, huh?
Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy.
Okay, another amazing day in the books. My last full day in Riyadh. Honestly, I'm really sad about it. Not ready to leave yet because it's just been an amazing, amazing time. Amazing people, really. Saeed, Sultan, Saud, Bandar, Badr, everybody. I've met so many good people, and I heard about the Saudi hospitality before I came. Because there's not too much stuff on the internet about Saudi, but the little bit that I had seen, I'd heard about how kind the people are here, but it's something you really have to experience because it kind of blows your expectations away. I got, $200 out of the ATM when I got here in Saudi riyals, and I only spent money basically the first day I was here before I met these guys and started hanging out with the Saudi people, They won't let me pay for anything. I'm fighting them again and again on it, and they're like, no, you're not paying for anything. So I can only hope, Saudi friends, you guys come to New York because I want to repay the favor. But just an amazing day. And I hope I can come back here again because I really need to spend more time. I'm really appreciative for everybody's kindness here. It's like I don't even know what to say really because it's just, I feel like bad almost how kind everyone's being to me. I'm like, what did I do to deserve this? But they're just, welcoming, so nice, and just proud of Saudi Arabia, proud of their country, their culture, their religion, and just such good, nice, warm-hearted people here in Saudi. So I'm excited for the rest of the trip. Tomorrow I'm gonna go on to Jeddah, and I think it'll be a lot of fun there too. But just an amazing couple of days here. So thank you. Shukran. Shukran. Thank you, everybody. All my Saudi friends, thank you. Shukran. Shukran. More tomorrow.